Between the peaks of the Andes and the endless plains of the Pampas, the Lord of the heavens with immense wings is seen as a divine messenger from the cosmos. He alone possesses the magic power to raise and set the solar star. The Andean condor, which the Mapuche people thought had disappeared forever, seems to be returning from the confines of the beyond to reign again as master of the skies. Even if the nation displays it as a symbol to the point of erecting a bronze condor statue, the sacred bird is nevertheless in critical danger of extinction. Its survival depends on a conservation program implemented between Chile and Argentina.